Hello, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday, and we are going to be playing with some matte black nails and these beautiful mixed arts by SheModern in the, I would call it the blue-green range. It is mixed arts -06_1. You can find many, many beautiful, there's like 17 colors, and I don't know if that includes the two-toned ones that are able to be two-toned. But there's dozens and dozens of beautiful foil arts on SheModern.com to check that out. They also have a couple new ones that are out. You'll just totally love them. This is just regular nail polish, and it's any old black you want to use. You got a stiletto, a couple different nails here, so this isn't like a complete mani. We're just, fiddling around, showing what you can do. This one I'm going to be doing differently than some of the others because I'm using a wide line, which came off of the side of the foil sheet. These lines, the thin line and the thick line here, those are usable. I don't know how many of you know that, but they are usable. When you cut your foils out, your shapes, make sure you trim close to the line, not into it. Score your decal like a couple times around it. Not too much, but our nails are curved, ladies. Don't forget that. So on our matte nails, I have got our decal sitting off to the side and soaking. I'm going to be using my Beauty Big Bang stamper to pick up and apply. I've got a tissue off to the side also that I'm going to dab the stamper on once I pick up the decal. I also have my silicone rubber, maybe it's just rubber, I don't know, but our cuticle pusher, I love these, love. I'm going to use that to smooth out our decal, get all the air bubbles out and water bubbles. I'm going to first pick up the thick green line, or teal blue. Oh, back up here a minute. You need a sticky base coat of some sort. On gels, when you have your base color on, you have a sticky line, or sticky residue left behind. So with natural nail polish, you're going to need some kind of a sticky background. I am taking Pro FX, the sticky base coat, and applying that to the nail. And do a couple others while I'm thinking about it. Have them all prepped and ready to go. I'm not sure which nails I'm using and which I'm not. These will be matte in the end. So here this is Pro FX Sticky Base Coat. I got this on clearance at Walmart last year for $3. Can't find the products anywhere anymore. Kinda sucks. So I'm going to take my stamper and apply this near the base. I have got my itty bitty little stork scissors. Oh, sorry if I'm out of frame. And I'm going to cut off what I don't need. Whoops. There we go. Bless you, baby. So that looks really good. Love the way that looks. Melt this down here. Let me get my pause and get my. I'll be right back. Okay, we should be back. I am taking my remover acetone on a little tiny itty bitty little brush, melting this into the edge of the nail. There we go. Oops. There we go. Uh-oh. Right. I believe we are. So we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Couldn't see the counter on the camera and wanted to make sure I was in frame and filming. Sometimes when you pick them up, the backing will come with. Just slide it off. Remember, dab your decal. Whoops. You can have it on makeup sponge, tissue, something that is lint free. Apply any shape, any old way you want it. I don't have a lot. I'm going to jump around probably so I can, make sure I got enough for the nails that I'm going to do. Oh, I got itchy nose this morning. Allergies are kicking. Make sure this one is smoothed out. It looked to me like there was a wrinkle. Let me check here too while I'm thinking about it. Doesn't hurt to go over these. Make sure they're smooth, no water bubbles, no air bubbles. I think these are so cute with the matte black. There we go. Hope you can see. There we go, there we go. I do really like these. Whoops. Oh, our line did not want to come off. So I'm going to take this and smooth it down. Get my scissors and trim. Get as close to the nail as you can. Again, I'm going to get my remover. Get an itty bitty little brush. And just kind of take off the excess. There we go. And we got the diagonal line. Hopefully you can see these. You will when we top coat and put some top coat on. Hello. I do think these are cute. I really do. Sorry, I did not silence my phone. There. I don't know if you can see these yet. I'm gonna go back to my stiletto, check this one out, see if I can add something to it. Okay. It doesn't want to come off. There we go. Let's see. There we go. And we are ready for top coat. I'm using just any old matte top coat, but make sure it's still good. Hopefully you can see those on the matte black. But you will when this dries. It should be really beautiful. Today in southeastern Michigan is the Woodward Cruise. I don't know if any of you have ever heard of it. No, it is not nail related. It is an area of life that I am also into, which is hot rod and muscle cars. And it goes on in, like, I don't know, it's Berkeley, Michigan. I've never been. But they show it on the news, and it's just something else. People come from all around the world to attend. It's really cool. Hot rods was something I was brought up around with my father and my brother. There we go. We're going to wait for these to dry, and hopefully you can see these bad babies. Clean up your little itty bitty little trinkets. Shouldn't call them trinkets, your scraps. And we used all the decals I cut out, which is really great. I was worried I wasn't going to. So clean up your mess. Your mani is complete. And there we go. Our SheModern Saturday is finished. I like the stiletto. I think that turned out really cute. Really, really cute. So the next nail we did, which, say if we were doing a mani, would be a ring finger. And what would be the index finger? Cross diagonally is the thin line that was cut off the side of the foil sheet. But I think this turned out really super cute. Really cute. Well, this comes to the end of SheModern Saturday. Hope you've enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you are new here, please subscribe and ring that bell. On there you get 3 options. Please click all. I don't know what's going on with YouTube in there, but please click all and you'll be subscribed to all my videos. Not subscribed, but notified of all future videos. That way you keep up to date with what's going on my channel. And I would greatly appreciate it. Helps my channel grow. And that's what we are here to succeed for. And well, we are going to go. Have a blessed Saturday. Have a blessed day. And thank you very much.